Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, and we're going to go ahead and get right into it. If you saw the thumbnail, then you know I'm about to make some 3D dog walks in the rain inspired nails. I'm starting off with some full cover tips from Nail Couture. They were French tips. I buffed off the French tip portion, and now I'm going in with some Madame Glam base coat to get everything started. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to be going in with a few different polishes here that I'm showing you right now from Madame Glam and from Nail Reserve. And I even use some gel polish from Born Pretty as well. So I want to go in with this gray color because for some reason it reminds me of a sidewalk. It really does. Let me know in the comments if you think this reminds you of a sidewalk. Let's say if you put a magnifying glass to it, you know, the different shades of gray. Anyway, so that's why I chose this color, and then I wanted to go ahead with the other gray color that I think is just a cute nude gray color, and I think it goes with my complexion pretty well and with the idea that I'm doing with these nails. What I'm also going to be doing is going in with some model gel that if you saw my recent Amazon nail supply haul, then you know where I got that model gel. And I'll go ahead and make sure that I put links to everything that I can find in the description box like I normally do. Go ahead and make sure you check those out. If there's any discount codes or affiliate links you feel like clicking, please do so because that does help out my channel in letting those particular brands know that I referred you, okay? So anyway, so I went in with some matte top coat from Born Pretty, and now for the model gel. This stuff is so wonderful to work with. It is not sticky at all. And I love how you can mold it out. You also can smooth out whatever you mold once it's done with some alcohol. Now, what I did find out though was when I use this way later on in this video, I do use the black model gel as well. But when I form the tops of these umbrellas I'm about to make, yes, the alcohol kind of turned it a little bit ashy. I'm not sure why, but you'll see. So make sure you stick around for this. I have never in my life made some 3D umbrellas, but you know what, I was like, let's go ahead and do this. The one thing I wish I would have did differently is put the umbrellas on my pointer finger and ring finger, but I didn't do it that way. But you know, it's still okay. I still made these 3D umbrellas for y'all, and I hope watching it shows you how to make it in case you've never done it. Again, I just winged this. That's what I did. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch. Everything is self-explanatory. Other than that, the reason why I wanted to do some 3D dog walks in the rain inspired nails is because this takes me to wonderful memories of the dog I used to live with, or used to live with me, walking him in the rain. I took him for morning walks every single day, and if, for those of you that have been following me on Instagram from like way back, then you saw those walks because I used to get on my Insta stories, talk to y'all, show you guys some of the silly stuff either that I was thinking or what the dog, and his name was Reeves, what he was doing. And those were the good old days. I'm telling you, I love dogs. I really truly love dogs. That particular dog was with me during a time of my life where I didn't know I was going to need him as much as I did, but I did. And I'm telling you, I don't know if I would have made it through a lot of those days without him. So I love him to death. I know those walks in the rain were just peaceful for me. I mean, we used to go out walking. It'd be 6:30 in the morning, sometimes a little bit after 6. Sometimes it may not even be full sunrise yet. Yes, many times I walked in the dark and everything. We walked down to a neighborhood park, and they had a field that was normally just us there, or if anybody else was there, it was other people going for a walk or walking their dogs. So it was just wonderful. I don't know, I got my exercise. I got in shape quite a bit back then. I wish I could go on those type of walks again, but I miss it. It was so peaceful, so refreshing, so stress relieving. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead. And I have these little dog gyms, and I want to use them, but I want it to remind me of something. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and make some nails, reminding me of those wonderful dog walks in the rain. So anyway, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch, and I'll see you close to the end, okay?
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Okay, roses, we're getting close to the end. I'm just going ahead and going in with some more of the Madam Glam base coat, because what I'm about to do is go in, well, you can see it already. I decided to put in the little tops to the umbrellas here, and I kind of wish I would have made them, kept them like super round like this, but I did flatten them out. And what I was talking about earlier in the video when I said that putting alcohol on them ended up turning it like ashy basically. After it dried and I cured this, it turned out kind of ashy, and I was like, are you serious? But you know, hey, it's okay. Let me know, do you like my 3D umbrellas and the 3D stormy clouds, the rain clouds I did? Yes, I just made that up. Let me know what you think. Would you ever try making some 3D umbrellas? Have you already? If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Hype your girl up if you like to. I mean, I did do this to show y'all. And leave me a comment. I loved my nails. They are different just like I am. And hey, I love it. And yes, look at that, look at that. Look at those clouds, y'all. Do they remind you of storm clouds? Give me a thumbs up if the storm clouds remind you of storm clouds and the umbrellas remind you of umbrellas. If you're new to my channel and you haven't commented on this video or any of my videos yet, let me know that you're here. Let me know that you're watching. This lets me know to do more of this, okay? I really do want to hear from you guys. I really do. You know, other than that, I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.